Hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. This is a quick tutorial of a waver, just getting it cut down with a low taper. He hadn't got a cut in a little while, hasn't been too long, but he wanted to grow it out a little bit before he takes it back down, right? So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. We are going to start, because he didn't know what he really wanted to cut it down with, so we're going to start with a 3 using my sideboard clippers. We eventually, because the 3 was just kind of grazing over it a little bit, wasn't really taking anything down, so we eventually put a 2 on, and we go 2.5 with my double magnetic guards from Gamma/Stylecraft. So we're gonna take that 2 down and making sure that everything is laid down. So we done combed it all out. We know the length that my client is going for. So we're just gonna even it all out, make sure everything is smooth. And once we got the length down to the length that we're going for, we're gonna start with the taper. And on the taper, we're just gonna start by taking our 1.5 and just laying everything down. And we're not balding it, it's more like a shadow taper, a shadow fade right here. So we're just gonna go start with the guard, with no guard, all the way open, and going from that, going into the half guard, 1.5, I mean the 1 and the 1.5. Here you are with the half guard, just start with it closed, go all the way open, and then go up to the 1 guard. And he wants a lot of wavers, and now I know y'all have seen me do some wavers and taper be high, but he want his pretty low. So we're just actually, when I'm doing a low taper, we start like almost at the ear, like at the top of the ear, and then start fading into the taper, where we're not going into the waves too much. And while we're at it, we are fading in his beard at the same time. Here we are with the 1.5, and this will be the highest guard that I use. And with this, I'm not really going up into the waves, I'm just going and knocking out some of that bulk. As you can see that I'm going in with that angle, making sure that I brush one down, and then we go into it, making sure that we brush it in the way that the beard, I mean the way that the hair is laying. And usually I don't take guards to the beard, to the fade part, but his hair was a little thinner right here, so instead of me trying to be Mr. Cool with the clippers, I put the guards on and try to fade into it a little bit, making sure that I don't mess too much of the fading up. And this is the other side of the head, same steps, no guard, half guard, going into the 1 and then a 1.5. This is just a quick haircut. As you can see that the taper is low, and when you see that little ripple right there, that is just a wave. So I'm really not trying to go into it too much, so I just kind of just jab at it a little bit to take some of the bulk of the wave out. Going into the lineup part, one part that I think a lot of people forget, I won't say mess up on, I'm just say forget, is laying down that front. Sometimes the hair is a little bit thicker up front and around the edges right here, so he is not tapering the back out. As you can see, he wears his do-rag, so he's trying to let everything kind of grow back out a little bit more natural before he start really tapering it up again. But what I was talking about is taking that 1.5 guard and hitting at the edges of the lineup, just making sure that everything is laid down. That helps give you a better lineup once you are going into the lineup action. And here I am using these. Now look, if y'all haven't tried these wall trimmers yet, to me, in my opinion, these are one of the best wall trimmers that I have used. I'm not a wall fan when it comes to trimmers. As y'all know, I'm a huge clipper fan, but the trimmers I haven't been big on. But these right here, I've been keeping them in rotation The review is out, so y'all can go to the video, check out the review. But I am loving these clippers or these trimmers. And there you go. We starting in the middle of the head, making sure that we are not going into the lineup. But as you can see, some spots are a little lighter, so we are trying to make sure that we keep everything natural but still give them that good look. And these are straight out the box. I did not do anything with this blade. So I mean, I love them. If y'all want to buy them, use the discount code CutsByReggie10, save you a couple dollars. Making sure that we're going across the head, connecting it with the other side. Now, this is one thing that's good about recording, because although to me that lineup is spectacular, at the end I do see one where I could have, I guess, not pushed in too much at the top, but you'll see it at the end. Taking my trimmers around the side, as you can see, they are gliding, even in motion, they're gliding around that C cup. Again, working on my angles. These are a bunch of cuts that y'all will be seeing, a bunch of cuts of me trying to focus on my angles of the shop and trying to get used to everything. But as you can see, these trimmers, oh my God, these trimmers are making everything come out so nicely. No complaints whatsoever. And this is me just touching everything up, making sure that I got everything leveled out, everything is straight, and everything is in order. As you can see, that taper is down low, and that dark spot is just a wave. I'm not going into his waves. I'm keeping everything down low and keeping his hair as dark as possible. We do not use enhancements on this haircut, so what you see is what you get. This is pretty much the cut. Man, look at that. That thing crispy. Whew. But as you can see, if you're looking at it from the way I'm looking at it, on the left side of the head, it kind of, you see how I kind of look at it? On the left side of that head, it kind of go back just a tad at the top. But I don't want to tap into it too much. But I do just want to kind of clean up the lining to make sure that at least everything is straight. But as you can see, everything comes out smooth. Mirror to the client is very happy with it. I've been cutting him for maybe 2 years now. This is a student up at the University, Tennessee University. Go Vols all day long. And like I said, he did not taper the back, so we're just going to line the back up, and boom, look at that cut. That thing crispy. That thing is crispy. The taper is down low. Everything is on point. The waves are waving. We're looking good, man. Just another quick tutorial just to jump in and jump back out real quick. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with another tutorial. Peace.